Toronto Pearson International Airport, Canada. Heading north to Canada, we land at Toronto Pearson International Airport, Canada's busiest airport and one of the top airports in North America. In 2023, Pearson saw a remarkable 44.8 million passengers, a 25.6% increase from the previous year, making it a major hub for both domestic and international travel. As the primary gateway to Canada, YYZ connects travelers to destinations across the globe, and its extensive flight network is a major asset to the country's economy. Toronto Pearson is a critical hub for Air Canada, offering numerous daily flights to key cities in Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Whether you're heading to the bright lights of New York or exploring the historical cities of Europe, Pearson offers a range of flight options to get you there. With 2 main terminals and a multitude of amenities, YYZ has everything you need for a smooth and efficient airport experience. From high-speed Wi-Fi to shopping, dining, and relaxation zones, Pearson aims to make your journey comfortable and stress-free. What really sets Toronto Pearson apart is its dedication to passenger experience and safety. The airport has implemented innovative systems to streamline check-ins, security checks, and boarding. As the Canadian gateway to the world, YYZ continues to lead the way in aviation excellence. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a first-time visitor, Toronto Pearson ensures that your journey begins and ends on a high note.